So, last night Noa and I went partying, and we spent too much money for our own good. So, today we're gonna bring you something new. We're gonna try and survive one day in Lisbon on 20 euros. Hey, do you have a 20 euro bill?
Nah. What?
Do you have a 20 euro bill?
No.
So how on earth are we gonna do a 20 euro bill day if we don't have a 20 euro bill?
Pay by card. Come on, 21st century.
Okay, you guys have to bear with us then. We'll do the math. You guys just watch and enjoy. But now, we are heading down for breakfast. So, correct me if I'm wrong, but we spent 9 euros on our hostel, and it comes with an all-you-can-eat breakfast of croissants, bread, spread, you know, all that sort of rubbish. Oh, and coffee. Coffee is huge. Anyways, so we are already 9 euros down, which means we've got 11 left to go. So I've always got to start my morning with a solid cup of coffee. I found a really nice coffee friend. Do you want to say hello to YouTube? Hi. Next important thing you gotta smash, cereal. Got to do that. So it turns out we chose the worst possible day to vlog.
There's no chocolate spread.
And chocolate spread. There is no chocolate spread. Broken.
No chocolate spread.
Broken.
Sorry.
We formally apologize to you, YouTube, for being so disgraceful. Despite the disappointment of having no chocolate spread, they make up for it with these awesomely cute little croissants. How does Lisbon on 20 euros?
Because we only have 20 euros.
But we don't even have 20 euros.
Oh, we don't even have 20 euros. Some jam with bread.
So just making me some toast. The plan is to eat as much as we can now for breakfast so that we only have to eat maybe one time later today. And that's pretty much a really, really good tip for travelers. If you're traveling on a budget, one of the best things to do is to have a hostel that does breakfast, because then you can literally just stockpile on food and it sees you through the day. You enjoy the breakfast? Yeah. Eat some more, okay? We're not eating again today.
No, I'm gonna get some.
Alrighty, so breakfast finished. We're feeling very, very full, a little bit sluggish. But it's all a name for the budget. Why is it that Noah always looks about 10 times better than me in the morning? So we've just been sitting in the hostel doing a little bit of editing, and one of the guys who's here has a drone. So we're gonna go and test drive it. So our plan today was actually to do the walking tour, but the weather has not been great. In fact, that's kind of been the problem with our entire Lisbon trip. The weather just has not played its part, which is really, really unfortunate because Lisbon does have so much to offer. I definitely do have to come back and re-vlog it. But it was fun taking the drone out, and now we did a little bit of research as to how to spend the rest of our 11 euros, and we've decided we're gonna go to an all-you-can-eat buffet, which I think is about just under 10 euros, maybe 9 euros, something like that. So we're gonna go enjoy that food because we are starving and a little bit hungry.
Yeah.
So we just got here for 9 euros, that's all you can eat. And the selection is quite a lot. There's plenty of meat salads, there's grilled meats, there's soups. So there's a lot, so we're gonna pile in.
I have more later. This is like the first, it's a starter.
It's a starter.
Starter.
So let's dive in. I'm gonna head back and get some more. And that's exactly what we did. We ended up smashing our goal of only spending 20 euros per person for the whole day. And we managed to have an awesome meal to end it off. Our time in Lisbon was still great, despite the weather not playing its part. And I guess one day I'll just have to go back. But guys, that is all for this vlog. So thanks for watching. Let's keep fostering this culture together. And of course, see you again soon.